Welcome to Vectary, the online 3D design tool where you can create beautiful 3D models, collaborate in real time on projects, and use millions of assets for your designs. We are going to show you an easy way to get from an empty scene to a rendered image. You can start with one of our templates or open a new project and start from scratch. In the middle, you can see the grid. The grid will be the base for your 3D creations. Orientation in Vectary is very simple. Hold down the left mouse button and drag to rotate the scene. Hold the right mouse button and drag to pan. And scroll to zoom. In Vectary, there are many ways you can create awesome projects. The easiest one is to use 3D objects from our objects library. Search for a model. Press Enter and drag and drop the model to where you want to have it. You can also just click on an object and the model will appear at the center of the scene. You can search through millions of 3D assets by connecting your account to repositories available right from the editor. To move, rotate, or rescale a model, we use the gizmo. The gizmo automatically appears if you click on any object. To move your model, use the arrows. To rotate, use quarter rings. And to rescale, use boxes. By using these steps, you can build your own 3D scene. The model will automatically rotate based on the rotation of the surface you are dropping the model onto. Let's close the 3D Assets window for now and focus on the next steps. You can open up this window anytime. Many assets are imported as a grouped object. To select an object in a group, double-click on the group in the scene, or click on an object in the object list. To customize the color, simply change it in the menu on the right. To change the surface finish of your object to either rough or shiny, simply move the slider. If you need more advanced materials, drag a material from the Materials library and drop it to your object. You can also edit the model by double-clicking on an object or by clicking the Edit Mode button. Now you have a full set of tools to edit or create any model. To make your design look more professional, you can add lights by simply dragging and dropping them on the scene. Move and tilt a light onto the scene. Choose a color and intensity. You can also pick an environment that goes well with your project. If you want a shadow under your scene, type Backdrop in the 3D Assets window and click the one that fits with your project. Move it if necessary. Now your scene should be ready to be rendered. Hover over the Render button, choose the render quality, and wait for the real-time result. Wow, that was fast! You can export your creation as a high-quality rendering or 3D file and use it on a 3D website, Facebook 3D post, AR, VR, or for 3D printing. You can also share your model to Vectary and to many other repositories available in Vectary, or even order a 3D print. To learn more about Vectary, check out our Learn section.